How to turn on or turn off Safe Search on iPhone Safari. Let's get started. First up, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option Safari. After you find it, open it. Now over here you'll find the option of search engine. Just click on it. Now you have to check what search engine you have set for your Safari. I have set Google. So you have to close this and launch your Google. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Safe Search. Now from here you can easily customize Safe Search for your iPhone Safari. You can set it to filter or blur if you want to enable it. Likewise, if you want to disable it, set it to off. So this is really simple and quick process. Likewise, another thing you can do is you can launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of screen time. Head over to the option of content and privacy restrictions. Make sure you have enabled for this option. Then click on the option of content restrictions. Click on the option of web content. From here as well, you can easily enable or disable Safe Search. So that's the wrap for this video. This way you can easily turn off or turn on Safe Search on iPhone on Safari. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.